friends, and welcome back to the Afrofood Diary. My name is Geraldine, and if it's your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please be family, subscribe, hit the red subscribe button below, and be family, activate your notification bell as well. That way whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to know. And may I add that it's totally free. You are not paying for it. As long as you can watch videos on YouTube, subscription is free. Okay, so and don't forget to hit the like button as you watch this video if you like what you see. Yeah, in today's video guys, I realized it's been a while we made some really native Nigerian stuff, and today I want to bring you something I always do whenever I go out of the regular abacha we bring back from Niger. Okay, so in today's video we'll be making abacha using tapioca, you know, the flat ones we use. Okay, in this video up here you will see I already made tapioca for us in this video up here. Yeah, that is the one for snack, but in today's video we're going to make it into a meal, into a kind of a porridge. So what do we call it? Okay, we can title it Bobozi Porridge, because that's what some people call it in Nigeria. Okay, yeah, so leave me a comment in the comment section if you can relate to the name while watching this video, or you can relate to any of the names I just called this food. Okay, it's a native Nigerian food made with cassava flakes from cassava. Okay, so you stay tuned and let's make this together. My recipes are all set up there and we will start to make that immediately. We have the major ingredients: the abacha, the tapioca, or bobozi as some people call it. Yeah, this is the major ingredient for this recipe. Over here we've got 2 smoked mackerel. This is optional. You can use shrimps, you can just use any protein of your choice. You can use dry fish, you can use dry catfish, crayfish, any other fish of your choice. Okay, I'm using smoked mackerel because of the taste it gives to this particular dish. Okay, so and over here I've got some 1 medium sliced onions. In here I've got oba. Okay, this is shredded oil bean seeds. Okay, it's processed in a Nigerian way. And this is the native otazi leaves. They are frozen, cut and frozen, reason they look like that. Okay, if you don't have this you can skip it, but if you have it, it does a lot of good to this recipe. Okay, so next I have some frozen spinach and hot atarodo pepper, habanero pepper. Okay, I've got 1 seasoning cube, I've got chili flakes, I've got paprika powder, smoked paprika powder, and I've got some salt. Okay, very simple, it doesn't require a lot. And how can I forget that we need to make this with some palm oil? Okay, so but what you can do is, if you don't have palm oil, you can feel free to use any vegetable oil of your choice, but then you need to buy a fresh red bell pepper, blend it and fry it down like a sauce, and then use it for this recipe. Okay, but for that very native taste, palm oil is the choice. And of course over here I've got my pan ready and we'll start making the recipe. First I'll go ahead and debone the smoked mackerel, take off all the bones and get it ready. Peel off the skin because I actually don't like it in this particular recipe. Okay, so I'll peel that and we'll start cooking. from this point, there are two ways I make this. I either leave some fluid in the abacha so that it comes out like a porridge, like with thick fluid. Yeah, but sometimes too I make it to come out dry like when we make abacha. This is the porridge you can see, but today's own is going to come out a little bit drier. You will see what I mean in a bit, but you make your choice between the one that looks like a porridge and this particular one I'm making today, okay? Turn down the heat at this point and let the cassava flakes, the abacha, the akpomiri gradually absorb this rich sauce. Yeah, because it's not the regular abacha, it takes at least 5 minutes of marinating in this sauce to come out really tasty. And then I garnished off with the remaining slices of onions and gave it a quick taste. So, and with that, our meal is ready. Have you liked this video? Please hit the like button. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.